Hello students, today we are going to discuss our new topic network congestion. When we heard the word congestion, what come to mind? My guess that you thought about traffic congestion on road. When there are many vehicles on a particular road, then they exist the road when the traffic jam or congestion. Traffic congestion can also occur various other factors like accident, bad road condition, small roads, and so on. So the point of congestion result restrict the flow of traffic. The same rule of network congestion we will discuss further. Network congestion is a specific condition in computer network when more data packets are coming to network device than they are handled and processed at a same time. To deal with more data incoming to them they can handle at a time, network congestion result in many problems such as the receiving network device cannot send acknowledgement signal in a time if they receive the data correctly. The sender node retransmit the data when it cannot receive the acknowledgement signal. For further increase the traffic cause more congestion. It reduces the network throughput or network performance. In computer network, to identify network congestion, following symptoms are there. First, excessive packet display. Second, loss of data packets. Third, retransmission of data packets. To control congestion problem, we use a technique called metering. In metering technique is implemented to control network congestion in following ways. It ensures the sender doesn't allow overflow the network, and it is done by controlling the flow of packet, rate modulation of data packet. With this, sender maintain a value indicating the limit of data that can be sent into network without acknowledgement. It ensures the routers along with path work as per capacity to handle network traffic and not to be become overflow. It includes strategy like rerouting the data packet, informing the sender about congestion of to control the transmission rate, delay the transmission or retransmission depending upon the congestion level.